Hello, today we will guide you through how to apply for Zara returns. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Zara mobile app to find where returns are started and make sure you know what to expect along the way. Before we begin, make sure the app is up to date, you have a stable internet connection, and you're signed in with the same account you used to place the order. Having your order number or confirmation email handy can also help if you need to double-check details. Start by opening the Zara app on your phone. Give it a moment to load the home screen. If you recently updated the app or switched networks, a brief refresh may help everything display correctly. From the home screen, look to the lower right and tap the Account tab. This is your personal hub in the app. It's where you'll find your profile, saved information, and, most importantly for today, your order history. If you don't see Account right away, double-check that you're on the main navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Inside Account, tap Purchases. This section compiles your recent orders and the items you've bought. You'll see a list organized by order, usually showing dates, order numbers, and thumbnails of the products. If the list looks incomplete, try pulling down to refresh, confirm you're signed into the correct region, or wait a moment if a recent purchase is still processing. Here in Purchases, all your purchased items are displayed, and this is the place where you initiate a return. Select the relevant order, then choose the item you want to return. Look for the return option and follow the on-screen prompts. The app may ask you to confirm details like quantity and reason, and then it will present the available return methods based on your location and item eligibility. Read each prompt carefully and confirm your choices to submit the request. A few quick tips to help your return go smoothly. Check that your item is within the return window and in returnable condition, including any original tags or packaging if required. Keep the confirmation you receive in the app or by email. It's your proof that the request was submitted. If a label or QR code is provided, store it somewhere easy to access. After submitting, you can revisit Purchases to view the status of your return and see updates as they appear. And that's it. Open the Zara app, go to Account, enter Purchases, and use that page to start your return for the items you select. Thanks for following along, and take your time with each prompt to ensure everything is set up correctly.